All right, man. What questions you? What was this? Our second or third time?
Third one, yeah.
All right, man. What questions you got?
I wanted you to give me like any feedback on my trades to see how I was doing.
All right, perfect.
Um, I just gotta figure out how to share my screen.
It should be
Oh
at
yeah, it
the
says right here. It says
bottom.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Where we at? One minute. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. It said
Yeah.
Mason has started. Yeah, you have a car in your charts.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Cool. So I don't know, like I showed you a trade a couple days ago and you gave me confirmation about it. I think it was like a sale trade.
Let me check. You sent it to me on our phone.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Looks nice. All right.
Like if I was taking like the right trade. I mean,
Yeah.
it went to my favor, you
Mm-hmm.
know.
Mm-hmm.
So that was good. But right here, I think what is this? GBP? Yeah. It wasn't GBP though. Right here. So I took this trade earlier. I think it was
Mm-hmm.
early in the day
Mm-hmm.
this morning. I wanted to figure out this is support right here, right?
Correct.
So I was thinking like this will go back down straight to here. You know what I mean? Since the
Mm-hmm.
whole number's right here.
Yeah.
Um, is there like what did I do? Like what did I miss right here? Do you know? Like can you tell me?
Are you
See?
saying should you have retested, or are you saying because it looks like you got the
Yeah.
trade?
I was
It looks
thinking like it would
perfect.
retest
It's perfect. It doesn't always have to retest, but if you want, you could take it at the 213 400.
the 213 400. All right here, yeah. Mm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I took it as it was playing out. Um, so maybe I should have waited then pretty much.
Uh, I mean, you were in buys, man. You took that trade or no?
Yeah, I did. And then until I seen like it was not going into my favor, so I got out of it.
Just don't get out. Yeah.
Just don't get out.
Yeah, like if you were in the trade and you're in profit, I mean, the market going up and down is inevitable. That's
But
gonna happen.
so the thing is, I wasn't even in pro. It didn't even come to me. You see how it is right here? I took it down. I
Oh,
took it down here,
uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
then I was waiting. I thought it was gonna come right back down. You know what I mean? And then shoot up.
Here, I got you. I got you. I got you.
So
The trade was still good because of right here. Oh, hold on. Right here. Do you see where I'm marking on your chart?
yeah,
Okay, right there. If you go down to like a 5 minute, you're gonna see that that was a break and retest area.
okay. I got this whole setup right here in my way. You said the 5 minute?
Yeah, if you went to the 5 minute at that same spot that you said,
Yep, right here.
yep.
Yeah. Okay.
But
Mm.
to be honest, man, your markups are perfect. Like you're hit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, so this one I took and then I got out of it, right? And then
Hmm.
this one I took earlier too, the same a little later on. But I didn't put this trade in. I just like try to predict it. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
a hundred
Just
percent. Yeah.
just to see if I was right. I didn't take this trade, but I marked it up just to see if I was right, and it went to,
Yeah.
and went my route. This one too right here. So these ones I took on this account, paper trading,
Hmm.
on trading view, but it didn't let me take the profit out. It canceled out, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So if we look down here, let's see.
TradingView isn't the best broker. They're the best
Yeah,
like chart wise, but
yeah,
broker I wouldn't use them. I've never used them as a broker. Anybody that I've heard use them as a broker, they're just not a broker. They're just strictly for charts.
yeah, and I think that's my downfall because I keep like depending on it. You know what I mean? I
Oh
still I
man.
got I got like a trade going on right now with USD JPY. It's still going. It's on buys
Mm-hmm.
on the Henkel trade. I'm like holding it. I don't know
Yeah.
if like I should like take the profit or keep holding it
Um,
because it like it. Go ahead.
are you on GBPJPY for Henko?
USD JPY on
Okay.
Henkel. Like literally right now. I took it yesterday, like last night,
Uh-huh.
and I've been waiting for it.
Yeah. We're looking at your screen. Pull up UJ on your screen so I can see where is it at, what it's doing.
Okay. Oh yeah, I don't think you're gonna see it on here.
I know that. I just want to know what
Yeah.
UJ is doing. I
Where am
usually
I at?
yeah, just look at the chart,
Okay.
see what's going on with UJ.
So lit oh no, you I actually did mark it up actually. So so this first one right here,
Uh-huh.
I took way like in the mo Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
but again, I took it on Trading View and I
Yeah.
couldn't take it out. You know, it canceled me out, but it still went into my favor.
Mm-hmm.
And then I took this one right here on Hankel trade, the second one,
Mm-hmm.
and it's still playing out. You know what I mean? I don't know if like that was like I mean like it's showing like it's a proper entry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the
Well,
1.156700, or are you talking about
at
156? Oh, at the 950? You can, because
the
remember I said
950.
you could use the hundreds and fifties. I just don't use the 25s and 75s.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it played out
Um,
perfect at the 50, to be honest with you. Perfect.
right. I just been sitting on it though, you know. I see it going up. It's I only put 45 lots.
Mm-hmm.
What is that, like $45? What would you say? What is
For
that?
Hanko, I don't know how Hanko
Yeah.
works, so I don't use Hanko. I mean, not Hanko. Is that TradingView or Hanko?
It's
That the
no, it's on Henkel.
Oh, okay. Then yeah.
Yeah. So that would be $45 I'm putting in? Like 45 lots?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on it. It's up like 60. The most it went up was $80,
Mm-hmm.
you know, right here. So yeah, I just wanted like, confirmation and feedback on the things like if I'm doing something wrong,
Nah, man.
if
Shoot.
I'm looking at it wrong, you know what I mean? I'm sorry, I'm
No,
like moving this shit everywhere.
no, you're good, man. To be honest, it's good. Like you're good. I don't even see
Yeah.
you good.
I'm thinking like this two right here. I'm thinking since we on buys on USD JPY, let me see if I can. I'm thinking it's gonna go all the way up here. Would
Yeah.
you say that?
Yeah. All we can do is just wait and see how it plays out.
Yeah, yeah.
But you got it, man.
I mean, it's looking like it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It might. But yeah, it's just what is it? Euro, GBP, JPY, and USD, JPY that I've been really looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
A
I
lot
was
of
gonna
buys
ask you
here.
too. Oh, I was gonna ask you, do you think I should? I mean, I don't know how long it's been. I think it's been like 3 weeks. Do you think I
Since
should open a
July.
live account?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh shit. All right. And you said like the most or the least is 500, right?
You could so okay, the reason why I tell people not to put $100 in is because think about it, when you're taking trades and you're in profit, are you going to be excited about $20 in profit? No. So you're going to hold
Right.
the trade, and you holding the trade, the longer you hold it, what if it turns around on you? So that's why I tell people to get bigger profits, because when you get small profits, you don't want to pull the trade and the trade might reverse on you because it went up
Yeah.
$20. So like you could be up 100 points at $20, but You know what I mean? But if you up your lot size, you could be up $1,000, you
Yeah,
know what I mean? So
yeah,
just be cautious of understanding with $100, you're not going to make a lot of profit. So you have to take those $20 as profit because it can turn around.
got you, got you. So like to make 1,000, you pretty much like let me see. To make 1,000, you would pretty much have to put like 500.
I've made a
To,
thousand with $100 before. It
you
just
made it
takes
okay,
discipline. It just takes discipline. All right.
okay.
So where you see, look, I got you right here just to make it simple. You can make, if you got $100, you can make it, hold on, right here. If you entered right here, let's just say if you got $100 and you made, all you can do is the biggest lot you can, and you made it up here and it's $20. But if somebody else that got $1,000 account took the same entry as you, but up here they made $1,000 instead of $20.
Yeah,
So when you had $100 account, you got to be happy with the $20. If you got $1,000 account, you're happy with the $1,000 or whatever it is. It's just
yeah,
more. It's just more. If you're
okay.
not happy with this 20, that's where people don't want to wait for all this, and then when they get up here to $20 profit and it starts going down, that's when they pull their profit and just say, "Oh, I don't make that much." Da 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 da. Well, yeah, you need a bigger account.
Yeah. Mm.
That's why I don't like telling people starting an account with $100. Yes, you can,
Right, yeah, yeah.
but you're not,
I
you're,
got you.
yeah.
So I seen like your stories when you of your own trades, and it
hmm
went when it was what like I think it was like five grand profit.
It depends
What
what
exact?
today or
Huh?
yes, today
I think
or
it,
last week.
I think it was today or
Yeah.
yesterday. Yeah. Um, what exactly? What was you playing with to for your entry? And how
Uh,
long did you have to wait for that?
Go to GJ and I can show you.
Okay. And if you want me to bring it to your screen as well, you can just,
All
you
right,
can
yeah.
let me know. I
Let's
have
go
no
to my
problem.
screen. Let's go to my screen and because I can show you exactly my stuff.
All right, all right. Stop share. Okay.
All right, let me go here. All right, GJ's already done and dusted. It's over with. It's already coming all the way back down here, but this is where the entrance was. Let me see the entrance. 213,900 flat, as you see. Let me clear all this up. I just got off of another Zoom call, so I had to break this all down. Uh,
Yeah.
Daily. Let's go down to the daily. So the daily, we already understood the buys. We don't have to do the, up, down, left, right, all that BS. We understand buys were going up. So there's no reason we need to stay on the daily. We got to our 4 hour. We have the same thing. You see the support right here, and you see the price going up right here. Simple. We don't need to do anything about sales because we got nothing but higher highs, last previous being broken over here. We got nothing but going up. We have nothing but a structure. We don't need to talk about nothing else about no sales. So we're gonna go down to the 30. We're gonna zoom it up. As you see, you had this mean drop right here. So we're just gonna ignore this right here. And where's my box? You have this support. You have this support. You have this support. And all these are areas of buying. So let me grab this. So if you miss this area, that's your 400. Take this away. You want this area, take it straight 500. You take this away. It's right here. Mine was, it should be right here. Did I put 900 or 800? It was 9 because it's supposed to be down here. So then it was 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put 8 because that's where it was at, right here between 20 and this because I went off of the left for this area right here. So
Okay.
go down to the 5 minute, and when you zoom in, you can see everything above this is buys and everything below this is sells. So since this was over here, I looked at this sales big rejection right here. I seen everything was buying above, which was that was the whole reasoning.
Okay.
Now it's just coming back on us.
Yeah. And you, so it's gonna so you think it's gonna shoot back up then? What would you
That
say?
you know that I don't know. This was the trade this morning. So we're
Yeah.
on a 5 minute now. So this trade was where I took based everything off of. This was the entrance right here. So if this is the
Yeah.
entrance and everything already shot off into buys, and if it's coming back down, man, I'm not gonna say it's gonna be keep going up forever. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah, yeah.
for it to come way back down here. I wouldn't. You know what I mean? I would wait to
Yeah.
see the market play out and see what's going on. Because this is a hefty drop.
Yeah. Okay. Mm. And you're always looking at on the left, that structure on the left, you want that to go higher than that left, right? For the buys?
Well, yeah, because that's the only way if we're buying, it has to go higher. Can't go lower.
Okay. All right. Hmm. What if you see that straight right there, the in the middle,
Right
that
here.
straight like candle. Nope, right in the middle, that long all the way down. Yep, right there.
Uh-huh.
You wouldn't buy right there?
Just flat out buy right here.
Yeah, you wouldn't do that?
No, I would. It
You
just
would?
depends, are you risky like that? That's all it comes down to. Are you risky? Let me see what it looks like down to a 5. Oh, boom. It's a break and retest. So yeah, you can.
Mm,
You won't see this on a 30 because it'll be just this. It'll be a straight candle. But when you go down times,
okay.
it gives you more detail. So you see this as a break and retest right here.
All right.
Broke
Mm,
above, found support, stayed there, took off. Easy. You got it down, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. You have it down.
yeah. Yeah, I was telling my girl I was telling my girl like let me ask him about his opinion about doing the live account, and you gave me the go for it. Like I'm eager to do it, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because if I'm getting it down on the demo, I mean, why not? You know? So
Sure. Now it's just take
that's
action.
that's yeah. That's just my thing. I just wanted little feedback and confirmation to see if I was doing everything right. I keep watching your videos like every single day, you know. So it's like I get majority of it. It's just I double check myself about if I'm doing it right. You know what I mean?
Two things. Does the stuff I post on my story help? I ask this to everybody just because I know like, hey, I wouldn't be posting nothing if I don't have to. But if it helps
Yeah.
people, I would. So does it help?
Oh man. I think it helps all the way for me. For me, I think it helps all the way.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Before even getting the mentorship from you, like I felt like I could have just done it myself.
Mm-hmm.
But like I said, I second guessed myself, and like I need somebody to tell me like, yo, bro, you're doing it right. You know what I mean? This is good. This is, or this is bad. And that's just my problem. But
Mm-hmm.
before that, like the videos, no brainer. I could
Mm-hmm.
have, went all in with it.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're putting too much out there though, but yeah.
A lot of people say that. A lot of people say I put too much out there. But
Yeah.
if you put it this way, if think about it like this, if I gave you $1 billion idea right now today, your mindset, what would you do with it? If you don't got no
Yeah.
mindset, if you don't even know it's even valuable, I could tell you how to rob a bank. There's $1 trillion in it right here today. You doing
Yeah.
it or not, or even having the mindset or even thinking it's valuable plays a million factors to where nobody cares. Elon Musk can tell you to your face, hey, do this, do this, do this. If you don't have value for it or take advantage of it, what does it matter?
Yeah. 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 No, that's facts. That's facts. Um, yeah, like you said too in the beginning, you're like, hey, a video, you can watch a video, but if you really want to be consistent and all that, you need a mentor,
You
you
have
know? Yeah.
because it won't work.
And
I have to pay mentors for tax reasons because I paid too much in taxes, and I feel like there's somebody that can do this better. There's somebody that can get this stuff cheaper. I
yeah,
have to pay somebody. I have to. You know what I mean? Nobody's
yeah,
above anything. Elon Musk, Michael Jordan, Jeff Bezos, they have mentors.
right,
Everybody
right.
has a mentor. Like, so who am I? Who am I?
Right, exactly. Exactly. No, I took that too, like in the trading academy too. Like they made that like really like engraved in my mind. Like you could do it, but you really need the mentorship or a mentor, you know what I mean?
Mm,
And then, like I mean, I think that was luck on his part. Um I told you before, I don't know if you remember, but I told you like a person in the class, um 25 grand, and he never traded, you know what I mean? He just went to those classes, and he's a beginner, no mentor. But even he said like he like for me to get a mentor because he was failing too. He lost like 10 grand,
mhm,
you know, and I think that was just luck, for that 25 grand.
mhm.
But he's still going, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna have to do this, you know. So I'm a welder, you know what I mean? I do welding, 40 hours a week, and I'm tired of it. So I think this is my next goal for it.
For sure, man. For sure, man.
Yeah.
Sure, keep me up to date, just like you've been doing. If
Yeah,
you have any
definitely.
questions, let me know.
Oh, one more thing.
Hmm.
Um, so on the supports, like when it starts getting when it starts getting that, like it's coming to a support and like going up for buys,
Hmm.
um should I wait for like two candles, to give me that confirmation? I don't want to go off the because like before I showed you I went off the whole number to come back down to retest,
Hmm.
and it didn't go into my favor. So should I go to like the second or third candle that's already leading up to that way or down that way?
Hmm. Uh, all right. So then you need to know this question. Are you a breakout trader or a break and retest trader? Which one do you want to be?
Yeah, that's a good question. Um, I, I find myself doing the retest a lot, you
Stick
know.
with that. Choose one. It just comes down to you got to choose one.
Yeah,
You just do both. I do both. You know what I mean? But it's everybody's decision. You can line up 10 different men and you got to answer that question on what do y'all want to be. Either you want to break out and enter or you want to do retest and enter. You'll get losses with both, wins with both. So to
yeah,
kill
yeah,
to kill losses or less losses, which one? You know what I mean? Which one?
yeah, yeah. Shit. All right. I
With
mean,
with a retest, at least you know you're already above.
yeah,
With a breakout, you're just doing it just straight breakout. But I mean, I'm not saying that either or is 100% better. It's
yeah.
still got to choose. Because
Okay.
boom, right here, look, broke out, straight breakout, broke out, straight
Yeah,
breakout.
exactly,
Like
exactly.
this was a whole just straight drop. You know what I mean? This was a retest right here. But I mean, we can do this all day. You know what I mean? With just breaks outs and retests, which one we're gonna do. So that's why it's like, there's not a real there's not one
Yeah,
man on this earth that can tell you, hey, do this and you'll be a billionaire just by doing this one. No, you got to choose which one.
okay. And so do you trade on 15 minutes, or it's just completely flat 30 minutes?
Flat 30 minutes, but if I'm on the charts, like what time is it? It's 5. So in the morning when it's like, if it's between 8, 9, and 10, I have to use the 5 to see because it'll move too fast and I can't see everything on the 30 minute if it's moving 20, 30, 40 pips in seconds or something like that. But
Okay.
if it's not on the opening time, then no. I'll just look at the 30.
Okay, okay. What about like on Sundays? You trade on Sundays, and if you do, like I know it's the market closes at 5, and like your trade is still going, you're just gonna completely get out of it, correct?
No, you can trade on Sunday. It opens up 5 p.m. So I traded yesterday Sunday. You
Oh
can
yeah,
do it.
5 p.m.
It closes Friday 5 p.m. and then
Yeah,
it
that's what I
opens
meant.
up
That's
Sunday 5 p.m.
Yeah, that's what I meant. My fault.
You
It
good.
was Friday, is what I meant. When it was going to close for 5 p.m.
Hmm.
Like you're taking trades that day, right? And obviously, are you rushing like to get out of the trade just because the market is closing?
No,
No? You just
no.
leave it?
It depends if I'm in the trade. It depends if so. Let me give you my scenario. If I'm chilling, I'm in a trade. I'm not paying attention. If I got to start cooking, if I'm with the kids or something, and I'm not looking at the time, those are all. That's instantly 100% the reason why I'm stuck in the or still in the trade. If I'm just not looking at time or paying attention to the trade. If I am,
Yeah.
yeah, I'll get out the trade. If I'm in profit, who's thinking about take closing their trade if they're in profit?
Right. So
So
like go ahead.
I don't rush to close it.
No, even on the 30 minute, because I know every candle is 30 minutes, and that could take some time to even I think I don't know. Like I don't know if I'm looking at it wrong, but 30 minutes is,
Yeah,
two two 30 minutes is an hour.
mm-hmm.
It could
Yeah,
take some time to get in the zone.
yeah, it could. But I hold it. If I'm in the trade already, I hold it.
Yeah, okay. And then you just take it out right before 5.
If I see it in time, and if I'm losing, I'll close the profit. I'll close the trade. If I'm not losing, and if I'm in, all right, let me show you an example. Let me look a rewind. Okay, boom. If I Let me take this off. If I bought right here, and if this is 5 o'clock up here,
Yeah,
I'm not gonna pull out if my position is for buys, and we're already buying. So Monday,
right.
I'm expecting it to still be buying.
Okay. See, that's what I'm thinking right there. So, okay, so even if it was like that, you would keep it
Hmm.
until like Sunday, Monday.
It
Keep it in
opens back
play.
on Sunday.
And you would keep it in play?
Yeah,
Okay.
as
Okay,
long as it
okay.
keeps going up.
Okay. So even though, okay. So we already know that we're in buys. So we keep the trade playing even when the market closes because we already know that we're in buys, and
Hmm.
it's gonna still be in buys on Sunday, Monday,
Sunday,
Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. Okay. Yeah, I needed to know that because I was thinking like it would like just reverse. You know what I mean?
it
No
can.
matter.
It
Yeah.
can. You know what I mean? Don't say it won't, but it can.
Okay.
If it does, to close your trade if it's open.
Yeah, yeah. Because I see like this. I think that was a Sunday right there. That big candle right there on the left, that huge candle. I think that was like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and it
Yeah.
dropped. But we was in buys. It looks like you see that on the
Yeah.
left.
Over here.
All yeah, you see, but we was in buys. You see,
Hmm. Going up.
yeah. So I'm like, yeah, all right. Yeah, man. I think that's really it. It wasn't too much. You already gave me all the information. Um, again, I mean, if I have anything I have come into mind, I will, give you a
Yeah,
text.
for sure. Let
So
me know, man.
yeah, so I should do a live account one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool. 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 All right. I'm gonna get to it, and I'm gonna let you know.
All right, man. Let me know, man. Keep me updated.
I appreciate you, man.
For sure, for sure.